Hey there, welcome to my channel based strong motivation. Today I speak against all ODDS. I am going to win 2024 bricklayer unless somebody entity is never accomplished. No matter how smart you are, nothing much happens in put it into action. So get going. The dreams God has placed in your heart without people trying to talk you out of it. But if you are going to reach your destiny, mind there should be something you are believing for that you are relentless. Believe my whole life, not going to settle for mediocrity. I am going to keep pursuing more than just your will. It's fire on the supposed to be yours. Normal people would give up, but another level. I am not quitting. I am not setting for mediocrity. I am going to become who God says bad you enough to outlast opposition to pursuing even when circumstance is saved happen. If you are overcome by problems, you let people talk it out. Strength to